Okay. Alright, so there's the city. There's the end of our liner. Yeah, so right on the mark. See, there's 47 feet of 6-inch pipe and 5 inches of 4-inch pipe. This is all clay through here. There's the end of the 6-inch there. And there's the start of the 4-inch there. You can see we probably put it like a foot in. There's the old 4x6, so we're probably a foot in from there. Gives it time to transition. And there's the start of the liner. So I'd say the total length of the liner is about 54 feet. And this is our